Now it's time for step 3, the pitch, starting with funding. Type the total amount of money you would like to raise in the second box. This is your funding target. For example, if you'd like to buy a set of 8 VR headsets at the cost of £2,000, you would type £2,000 in this box. We have an all or nothing funding model, which means that unless your project has achieved its minimum fundraising target by its fundraising deadline, no donations or rewards change hands. As a result, we recommend setting your minimum target at the smallest amount you need to complete your project. For example, one VR headset costs £250, so you would type £250 in this box. Now for the fundraising deadline. This should roughly be 4 weeks after you've launched your project. We have found that this amount of time keeps the interest of the project followers and is a manageable amount of time for our project creators too. If you would like to run yours for longer or shorter, it's up to you. Now, it's a nice touch to add a video. If a picture says 1,000 words, then a video says even more. It doesn't have to be a big flashy affair. It can even just be done in one shot on a phone or an iPad. It's nice if it involves the students, and it's really good if it explains why you want to make the purchases. If you do make a video, make sure your YouTube settings allow it to be shared by everyone, and that you have the consent of all people involved. There are lots of films on our website and our YouTube channel, so be sure to check those out for inspiration. Now for the description. We've broken this section down for you, starting with key statistics. Type in the number of students that will benefit, the age of those students, and the percentage that are eligible for free school meals. If you're unsure of this, we can do that for you. Now for our project. This is the area where you can really explain the nuts and bolts of your project to the outside world. Remember, there might be some people looking at this page who know nothing about your school, so try to be as clear as possible. Write something which conveys the passion and urgency behind your project, about why you need the equipment you're fundraising for and how it will benefit your students. Donors are much more likely to donate if they understand why you need their money. Next, where your money goes. Here you itemise your purchases. This is an important part of the process as donors love transparency and to know exactly what they are donating towards. Remember to include VAT, delivery, and factor in 2% credit card charges to the total, and check that the total matches your funding target above. You can keep fundraising after you've hit your target. This is known as your stretch target. So type here what else you would like to purchase. For example, another set of VR headsets or a portable storage device for the headsets. You can also write a personal note encouraging people to donate to help you reach your target. Finally, if you have a raffle code, write it here and we will enter you into a termly raffle for a chance to win an extra boost. Once this is all completed, you can click Save Draft and come back to your project later, or click Next to continue.